Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to spice up your Windows desktop with amazing live wallpapers. All for free. If you're looking to give your setup a fresh, dynamic look, then this tutorial is perfect for you. Let's dive right in. First, go to my Live Wallpapers website and download the MLW app. The link is provided in the description below. In the home page, go to the How To section and select MLW software for PC. Then scroll down till you see the download button. Then click it and wait for it to download. Once it's done downloading, open the 7-zip file and install the program. Once the installation is complete, it's time to download your desired live wallpapers. Head back to the My Live Wallpapers website and grab any live wallpapers you like. Once you've downloaded your desired wallpapers, I recommend organizing them in a dedicated folder. For example, I'm going to create a new folder called Live Wallpapers inside the Pictures folder. For the final step, open the MLW program that we installed earlier. I recommend heading over to the Settings tab first, and make sure this option is enabled. This way the app will automatically run in the background every time you start your PC. If you want to set a specific live wallpaper, head over to the Add Video tab and locate the wallpaper you want to apply. In our case, the live wallpapers that we downloaded earlier are in the Live Wallpapers folder. Select the wallpaper you want to apply, then click Open. And as you can see, your live wallpaper is now successfully applied to your desktop. If you want to apply all your live wallpapers and have them change automatically, go to the Quick Start tab. Click Browse and locate the folder with your live wallpapers. In our case it's the Live Wallpapers folder. After selecting it, click Select Folder. Also, you can set the time interval for how often the wallpapers change. Once that's done, click Activate Quick Start. Now all your live wallpapers in the folder will be applied and switched automatically. And that's it for today's video. I hope this guide helped you bring some life to your desktop with awesome live wallpapers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on any future tech tips and tricks. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.